What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be working on the 427 dart block. It's nothing crazy. We're going to be doing a oil pump and a pickup stick. It's been a while since I've been working on this. So we're going to be placing the main cap bolt with a stud. So we got all the hardware here, the pickup tube, oil pump, and torque wrenches obviously. So let's get to it. So this one just goes torqued to 10 pounds. So these do go torque down to 24 pounds of torque. So we'll set this at 55. It's already set at 55, so we'll do 55 for both and then go back 75 and then 110 is going to be the final. The same thing, just going to add a little bit of silicone just around it. Doesn't say you have to, but I do. The last step, we're gonna rotate this. I don't know if you can see from over there. Let me turn on the light so you can see. On this side, we're gonna rotate, make sure we have enough clearance for everything to turn. So right here we just want to make sure we have enough clearance that nothing's going to hit when the rotating assembly is turning. What's up guys, welcome. This is going to be part 2 of last night's video of putting the oil pump pickup tube together. I ran into a little problem, little clearing issue when the crank is hitting the pump. Let me show you guys. See, like right there, it's barely touching it, but it's touching. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm gonna take everything back apart and I'm gonna grind down the pump a little bit just to give it a little bit of clearing. I said about 50,000 should be good, but I'll go just a little bit more just to have proper clearing once everything heats up. I know it's gonna expand, so we don't want nothing touching. Alright, let's take this thing apart. See, I don't know if you guys could tell, but right here is barely hitting. It made a little scratch on the pump. So I'm gonna have to just grind that down to have enough clearance. Alright, there it is. We're gonna test fit and then make sure we got enough clearance. Alright guys, so after finally grinding, I got it to fit. So now we can put everything back together. Oil pump, pickup tube. Alright, these go down to 24 pounds. Pickup tube, these go 24. This top one goes 35. Let's put the gauge in between, make sure it goes through. I don't know if you guys can see. So we got plenty of light going through there. Well, there you have it, guys. Finally got the oil pump and pickup tube put together after I came up with some little hiccups yesterday. Like, I didn't know it was gonna hit until I started put everything together and rotated the assembly, and then I found out it hit. Good thing I did it before I put everything together and just turn it on. Isn't that a good thing to do? So stay tuned for more updates on this thing. Hopefully I can start putting the whole bottom end together. Oil pan, timing chain, timing cover cam. So stay tuned for some more updates. Thanks for watching.